Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from the thepipbox, and this is the March 2021. So if you wanna see what's inside here, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. I have a giveaway open with the thepipbox February 2021. If you want to enter and win that box, I will pop the link on the top here or in the description box below. So yes, so this month, lovelies, this box was kindly sent to me from thepipbox. I'm really grateful, and also I really want to thank you, lovelies, because if not for you, I won't receive this box, because using my code and for always trust and support my channel. So yes, let's open this one, lovelies. So here is the box, and it says, "Be beautiful, be kind, cruelty-free beauty, the thepipbox, cruelty-free beauty. Yeah, it's arrived. Your beauty treats are here. Try them, love them, and make the switch to cruelty-free." So if you're new to the thepipbox, this is a monthly beauty cruelty-free beauty box. It costs £19.99 including the shipping fee, and inside you will receive cruelty beauty items from skincare to makeup. Last month, lovelies, the items inside was really fantastic, and I use every single product, so I really enjoyed last month. So let's see this month. So let's open this box. It's really a tiny box, but it's quite heavy. When you open, lovelies, it says, "Enjoy and share your beauty discoveries on social media. Tag at the thepipbox, hashtag cruelty-free." And then we have the leaflet that it says, "The International Women's Day Edit." Yes, today is the International Women's Day. So yes, here we go. And then inside we have all the products with the description and the price too. And I saw a few products that I'm really curious to try. And then it says here, "What is International Women's Day?" It says, "Celebrated on March 8th every year, International Women's Day is a day dedicated to honoring the achievements of women throughout history and all across the globe, and is typically a day for women from all different backgrounds and cultures to band together to fight for gender parity and women's rights." Just a thumbs up. So next month, lovelies, it's the spring essential. So yes, here we go. This month box, lovelies, is worth more than £55, which is not bad considering this box is only £19.99. And lovelies, as always, all the info will be in the description box below. Yeah, so the first product, I'm really excited to try this one. I'm really curious to try, and this is from Nip and Fab. You know, Nip and Fab, I really enjoy using their products. Most of their products, I really enjoy using them. And this is the Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Fix Cleanser, an invigorating illuminating foaming wash with vitamin C and E to reveal fresh glowing skin. And yes, this is the product. The moment, lovelies, we need vitamin C. Now we're going to spring, so yes, I'm really curious to try this one. And it says here, "An invigorating illuminating foaming wash with vitamin C and E to reveal fresh glowing skin." Vitamin C, it's to help for brightening skin. Panthenol, this one, it helps to moisturize and hydrate. And the amino acid is to help to improve the skin clarity. So here we go, and this one has 145 ml, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And this one, it's written for £12.95, and here it says, "Cleanse your way to fresh glowing skin with the Vitamin C Fix Cleanser. This daily use gentle cleanser helps to protect skin from everyday environmental pollutants while revealing clearer, brighter skin. Wash away dirt and impurities and leave skin refreshed and glowing. Can't wait to try this one. So the next product we have here, oh, I'm so excited for this one, and this is from Code Beauty, and this is the volumizing lengthening mascara. Here we go, lovelies. As always, it's a mascara. You know me that I won't open a lot of mascara. I've already opened, as I said, 3 mascara at the moment I'm trying it. So if you want to see the applicator of this mascara, I will pop here as always. And here is the mascara in Code Beauty. I tried a few of their products and they really good. I think I tried the primer one for the eyelashes and they are really good. So can't wait to try this one. And as always, this is a full size, lovely. And this one is rated for £19.95, so it's worth the same price of the box. And here it says the volumizing, thickening, lengthening, separating, curling, no clumping mascara, a brush that grabs every lash for definition, thickness, volume, and lift. This water resistant formula is buildable from day to night. So yes, and if you want to purchase from goldbeautiful.com, just use pipbox 20 to save 20% off. So yes, and yes, I love that it's a waterproof one. I usually use waterproof mascara because I think they last throughout the day on my eyes. So yes, I'm really happy for this one. And lovelies, if my makeup looks like this, because I just came from work and I saw this one on my doorstep, so I really wanted to unbox with you before I take off my makeup. So this makeup, I had this makeup for 10 hours now, so yes, I'm really sorry. So yes, I like this one. And then the next one we have here, oh, this one, I love it. So this is from Aromatherapy Associates Distress Massage Gel, focusing and soothing, and this one has 40 ml. I think this is a deluxe sample size, or I don't know if it's a full size. This one is retail for £7. And Aromatherapy, they smell gorgeous. I tried their oil one, which is, I have it, yeah, I have the distress one. I just emptied that one, will be in my empties video. And that one, lovely, it smells relaxing. It smells minty. It has a minty smell. Very nice product. I usually apply that one before taking shower, just apply all over my body and then take a shower. And that one smells nice. Even the bathroom after I took a shower, it smells like minty, relaxing smell. So yes, and I can't wait to try this one. Let me smell if it's the same. Yeah, it has the same smell, lovelies. Oh, it smells really nice. It has that, I don't know if there's just lavender in it, but it's so relaxing. So yes, this is the product, and it says distress massage gel, first cool, inflame, massage before imparting a deep, comforting warmth. Invigorating black pepper and warming ginger are the perfect antidote to intense workout, leaving muscles soothe and relax. So yeah, it has lavender, because you can smell the lavender, very relaxing, but it doesn't have that uncomfortable smell, that irritating smell. It smells like relaxing, lovelies. So yeah, the ingredients are water, the lavandula, which is the lavender, the flower water, the rosemary, lavender oil, yes, patchouli, ginger, pine leaf oil, pepper, all the ingredients to make your me time relaxing. So love this product. We have this one. I never heard from this brand before, and this is the Cree Vitamin C plus Bakuchol. I hope I pronounce it properly. And this is a lipid antioxidant for brighter and smoother complexion. Press a few drops onto skin after water-based serum. So the ingredients are melon seed oil, raspberry, yeah, bakuchol. I hope I pronounce it properly. Yes, and this one has 10 ml. And this one is rated for £7. So this one, it says protect against environmental pollutants and premature aging, help improve the appearance of fine lines and correct age spots with this lightweight and stable vitamin C plus bakuchol. I hope I pronounced it properly. Base of melon and raspberry. This blend of thin, non-greasy antioxidant lipids absorbs quickly and leaves a silky, soft, non-greasy finish on skin. This is a thumbs up. As I said before, I don't really like the feeling oil on my skin, but if this is not greasy, I can't wait to try. Let's try it on my hands, lovelies. It doesn't have that strong smell, lovelies. I don't smell of anything. So here we go. Yeah, I don't smell of anything. Oh yeah, it feels really nice. Here we go. I put too much, but it feels gorgeous. Yeah, it feels oily. I don't think it's non-greasy. It's quite greasy, but look at that luminosity, lovelies. Wow. Can't wait to try it. I will still try it, lovelies, because even though I don't like the oily feeling on my skin, I still need it because I have really dry skin, lovelies. So yes, you see, lovelies, even though I took it off the product, it's still glowing. Wow, I like that. And then the last product we have here, and this is from Vita masks. Vita masks, I tried a few of their face masks, and they are really nice. And this is the tea tree moisturizing and clarifying, a moisturizing Korean face mask made with extract of tea tree to clarify and moisturize your skin. So yes, this one is a full size, and this one is retail for £3.99, and it says provide problematic skin with a soothing solution in the form of the tea tree sheet mask, which has been designed to minimize breakout, impact, and restore stressed out skin. Chamomile and aloe vera extract in the mask aid with inflammation to leave skin feeling comforted and calmer. And you know, chamomile and aloe vera are really nice. Chamomile, it makes you relax your skin, and also the aloe vera, very moisturizing one. So yes, and I think this one I will let my husband try it because I don't really have problematic skin, as you can see, even though this is a moisturizing one. But I think, yeah, I will let him to try this one. So yes, lovelies, that's all. We have 5 products this month. Here we go, and let's do a recap, lovelies. We have a full size of the vitamin C cleanser from Nip and Fab. Can't wait to try this one. And the other product that I'm so happy to receive, and this is the Aromatherapy Associates Distress, the muscle gel. Smell gorgeous, relaxing. Have like muscle ache, apply this one and it will soothe you. And also the smells, it's really gorgeous. So yes, I love this one. And the other one, we have the Cree Vitamin C Plus Bacchuli. Never heard from this brand, but as I showed you before, very glowing one. Can't wait to try this one too. And then we have the mascara from Code Beauty, a full size mascara, and then a full size face mask. So yeah, that's all what I think of this box. This box is not really bad considering it's only £19.99, and the products inside is worth more than £55. Most of the items, 4 of the items I will definitely use, even though the mask I can still use it because it has the moisturizing effect one, but I will let my husband try it. But overall, this is a cruelty-free beauty box, and for £19.99, this is a great box. So yes, and you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the PipBox? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.